we're getting ready to go into Technical Chemical Company to look at the CIM 100, the continuous in-motion checkweigher. But most interesting is, I hear they have a lot of Cardinal products. So let's go take a look. Cardinal Spellman Manufacturing produces the CIM 100 continuous in-motion checkweigher with a 225 indicator or a programmable 825 indicator. We're very pleased to be here on location today at Technical Chemical Company in Cleburne, Texas. They actually package automotive liquids into containers at this plant, and then they do the checkweigh process to make sure all the containers are full. But what's most important is there are 24 model 225 indicators on this line connected to scales. So as they're filling each individual container, they check the weights on those. And then the final process is to make sure that all the weights are accurate and all the weights are acceptable to go to market. Incorporating the CIM 100 in motion checkweigher, they will hit the green light when they hit the target weight as they put in the proper ID for the product that they're packaging. It's outstanding to see Cardinal Scale manufactured products in process in this plant here in Texas. Here at Technical Chemical, as we see the 225 in operation in association with the continuous in-motion checkweigher, these are the tanks that they're filling with the 225, and they're pressurizing them to an exact weight. It's very important that the weight indicator is performing at peak at all times. The engineering staff here is standardized around the 225 to make sure that everything is working the same at all times for all the employees that go through this process. So here is the tank, here's the pressure valves that are filling the tanks, and of course the 225 has relays installed so that they can check weights and they can add additional weight or additional fills to these tanks in association with the operation of the CIM 100. I'm here with David Kaufman of Technical Chemical Company here in Cleburne, Texas. David, you're kind of in charge of engineering, plant engineering, and all the activities that go on here with systems. You just said upgrades, said you were just putting together a whole new filler system today. Now, you're in charge of course, making sure all of the 225s are in here properly, the Cardinal products, and doing their job and performance. Yeah. Now, when it comes to doing and installing the equipment, much like our CIM 100, then you give recommendations or not as far as a product that's going to fit what you guys do here?
Yeah, like here we try to keep standardized.
Yes.
We have Cardinals all through the plant and everything.
Oh, that's great.
And the other line behind us, 12 machines back there, and we've had very few problems out of the head units.
You're good.
The bottom units we've had slow cells go out. But we decided the people that we run this equipment with, they need to stay the same, whether they're working on that side of the line or this side of the line. So Cardinal was the obvious choice because that's what we had over there already.
Oh, that's great. Well, we really appreciate you guys using Cardinal because I know, we sell through distribution, so you made a decision based on what the product could do. This 225 that you guys are using on this line, it's a workhorse. We have it on our truck scales, floor scales, like you say, these check weighing applications. It's just utilized all over the world, and it's great to see it being used here.
The other reason I picked Cardinal was I had specific requirements I needed.
Okay.
And I asked y'all if y'all would do it, and y'all did. Of course, you charged me for it and everything.
Well,
that's
sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm eager for responsiveness. Like we wanted to do the 4 to 20 out and do our weighing where we go wide open.
Right.
And then the last 1 or 2 pounds,
right,
we can control it down to a very small amount because the Freon can get away from you in a hurry.
That's right. And you're using dangerous pressurized liquids here. Yeah. So that's super. So did we write a custom application for you guys?
Custom program.
Super. Yep. I know all the guys are involved in that. And that's one thing about Cardinal. We have software programmers and engineers right in-house. So we can make those changes real quick when you need it. And we appreciate your business. And anytime you need something, give us a shout. We'll help you out the best that we can. So thanks a lot, David. I appreciate it. Thank you. It's been great to be here at Technical Chemical Company today. They incorporate all of the Cardinal 225 products in all of the scales in plant. They standardize, said the engineer. They have tank scales outside and many of the floor scales inside with all model 225. As he had informed us while we were here at the plant, that he's customized and had us customize the software to meet their specific application. The CIM 100, the continuous in-motion checkweigher, is just one of the many products that they use within this company, Technical Chemical.